Audio check and everything.
I like to say that I'm an engineer turned educator. So I started out as a software engineer, but did like my electronics and communication degree and did the typical jump to software engineering. Worked at Infosys for 2 years. I think the fellowship, my plan was to unlearn and relearn.
Yes.
So I tend to be very tech averse when new technologies come to the surface. And I wanted to sort of like challenge myself to like get into the AI sphere and learn about it before discarding it like blindly.
Yeah.
And that's why I got into the fellowship, and that's what I feel like I'm sort of achieving, also understanding its implications, what it is, how it works, all of that.
Can you, in brief, tell us what your project is while you're in People Plus AI?
Okay. I think I have multiple projects ongoing. In the beginning, I started with just exploring what are some of the use cases for education, and then slowly pivoted towards future of work and how will AI impact future of work. And then somehow, like the very nature of like exploring, researching, finding out things, right? Landed up in the legal sector, and I'm anchoring this project called Find My Circular.
So from engineering to education to now something in law.
Yes.
Okay. So you just like to explore and just...
Yeah, I think for me, the fundamental thing is I like solving problems, and it doesn't really matter a lot what sector is it in or like what niche area it is. Doesn't matter where you solve a problem as long as it's helping people.
Nice. I mean, makes sense.
Yeah. I think anyone and everyone you meet in this ecosystem is so full of energy. They want to do something, they want to solve something. And there is space for like any kind of ideas, and that space is made by people.
Yeah.
For anything to come to the table, for anything to be discussed, like taken up and solved, right? I also like the bunch of fellows that I've worked with. Very, very different kind of people, but like I feel like at every point I've learned something from them. Yeah, and I'm just realizing as I'm talking to you, like it's coming to an end.
If your fellowship was a movie, what would you call it?
The series of fortunate events.
Yeah.
Yes.
Describe it a bit. I want to know what made you pick this.
I feel like it just worked for me because what inherently happened here is there was a lot of space for experimentation. I was not put into a rigid box wherein I had to do a particular set of tasks that I had to achieve. It was allowed for us to do what we want, explore, experiment, see what you're good at, hone it further. And I think the people that I have met here, the kind of projects and work I have done here, has somehow led me to a point wherein I've realized what I want to do in life, what I want to do as a career, what do I love doing. And that's why I said series of fortunate events, right? It was very difficult for me to answer that question that you asked, what next? Now it's become so much easier.